Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, your channel. Today we're going to be doing a cook with me, clean with me. This video is sponsored by Home Chef, so we will be cooking a little later in the video, but let's get this kitchen cleaned first. This is the first time I have been up in about a week since feeling way under the weather with the virus, so I'm kind of excited. Yesterday's meal, I'm going to show you that, and then I'm going to show you how I prepared today's meal as well. So I hope you enjoy, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bride was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bride was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank, and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank, and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Okay, fam, so Home Chef is a food delivery service, which actually works perfect for me. This is how it was delivered to my front door, which I absolutely love. This is one of the cards that comes on top, one of the menu cards. What I love about this service is you can choose for your family size how many meals you want to order. And for a single girl like myself, this is so convenient. because I don't have to go do any grocery shopping. It is literally delivered to my front door cold. And these are the menu cards that came on top. And I just want to show you how it's packaged, covered in ice. Okay, so it comes with ice packs in sort of like an insulated cooler, which is how they're able to send it out to you fresh. And I'm just showing you pretty much how it's packaged. Here's some baby Bella mushrooms and the actual packages that are individually packaged per meal, which makes preparing your meal extremely easy because everything you need is in one bag. And all you have to do is match your card up basically with your bags and just cook. All the meals are prepared in under 30 minutes. Okay, so I chose 3 meals to start, and I still have a credit with them as well. I also have a coupon code, which is Sharon30. I'll leave it across the screen for you in case you want to order you something. And I just want to show you the meals that I've ordered right here. I'm just showing you basically how they come packaged, which is absolutely great because everything you need comes in the bag. Fresh ingredients, so perfect. Okay, so here I'm going to prepare the salmon meal first, and I'm just following the recipe as it states. I just added a little bit of, I think, a 1/4 tablespoon of salt, and it's calling for sugar. So I'm going to add some sugar and then the ingredients that also came with it as well. So this is my first meal, and it turned out great. It was delicious. That was some smoked fire or something like that. Can't remember. But that was one of the ingredients that came in the package. Most of the stuff you should have on hand already. And if you don't, it's just really simple ingredients that you have to add in addition to the recipe card. Okay, here's how the complete meal turned out. Dinner for 2 is served, honey. I did lose some of my cooking clips previous to this clip, so excuse me for that, but I will be cooking again today, so just stay tuned right after for today's meal, which is more in detail. I'm sorry. Okay, guys, welcome back. So I am done. Okay, ooh, this makeup is not trying to match. What is going on? Maybe by the time I leave out, it'll be oxidized, honey. Okay, so we're going to prepare this right here. Ooh, don't that look good? Ooh, and everything is already in the bag. I can get used to this, y'all. A girl like me, honey, can get used. Okay, fam, so right here I just have my ingredients that I'm going to be using to cook with today. I actually am adding the mushrooms and the onions that I'm showing you right here to this meal. They actually go with, well, the mushrooms go with another meal, but I wanted to have them with this meal. So basically all I did was I oiled the pan with some extra virgin olive oil, and then I tossed in the mushrooms and the onions and a little bit of butter for flavor because I'm extra. And I'm just giving it a good toss. And then here in a second, I'm going to be adding in my shrimp, which is right here. I did season mine with some Mrs. Dash to taste, just because I like how it tastes. And I'm just going to go ahead and whip that up until it's done. Now here the noodles are done, and I'm just adding in the cheese and the heavy whipping cream that came with the recipe. And I'm giving it a good stir. I also added in the minced garlic and the parsley as well. And now I'm just mixing it all together. Just that simple. It took about 27 minutes to cook this meal. And here's what it looks like plated. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. King and I are about to eat. Okay, you guys, so that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you enjoyed the clean with me as well as the cook with me. And if you're interested in ordering from Home Chef, don't forget that I do have a coupon code, which will be down in the description bar below, as well as the link to the site as well. And my coupon code is Sharon30, but just be sure and check down there. And as you can see, it is kid approved as well. And we're just enjoying lunch together today. And it turned out really, really good. This service I'm definitely going to be using, being that, you know, I'm a single girl and all, and it will eliminate for me the whole process of having to go to the grocery store and then bring groceries upstairs. This was so easy because it was delivered right to my front door, just like that. And it was cold and everything was fresh, and it tastes really, really good. So I'm just enjoying the fruits of my labor right now and being home doing absolutely nothing. This meal was very delicious, and I'm so glad that I was able to be sponsored by Home Chef. This was a very fun video. Hopefully I'll be doing some more of these cook with me's in the future as well. Hope you guys are having a great holiday season so far. I'll catch you guys in the next video really, really soon now that I'm feeling much better. Love you guys. Bye.